Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my journal. So this is my creative journal and it is the Sophisticated Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. We're decorating the week of December 12th through the 18th and I'm going to be using stickers from Planything. She has these really lovely winter florals and a seasonal book that I wanted to use. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thanks for joining again, and let's have some fun. So I'm looking through these books, finding the Christmas elements that I want to use. So here we go. Those are the two books I think that I'm going to be combining. So bear with me. I'm going to put the door front and center. And while I do that, I just wanted to check in with you guys and see how your week is going. If you're doing anything fun or Christmassy, like a cookie exchange or anything fun. If you live in the Chicago area, we do have the zoo lights that are happening, so that's a fun thing that actually I'm going to be going to, so I'm super excited about that. I'm adding all of these Christmassy elements. Bear with me, it's gonna be fantastic, but not until I finish. So let's add a few more elements, like that beautiful Christmas tree from here. There we go. I'm just gonna remove that line. Nice. Look how beautiful and realistic this Christmas tree really is. Like, I love it. I think I want to add that fireplace next to it before I get going on other elements. So let's add this in. Perfect. Anyway, so if you are doing anything fun for Christmas, let me know down below. I know that we also have that, I don't remember what it's called, but it's like a German Christmas market downtown Chicago, which is fantastic. I've never been, but everybody who has been really raving about it, so maybe this year I will finally make it out there. We shall see. So I'm just adding some boxes from Planything. Her paper is so thick, you guys. I really like it a lot. So I'm gonna be adding some of these bluish elements to bring blue into the spread. But this box is crooked and look how easy that comes off. Yay! Okay, I want to kind of make it a little bit more straight. Not perfect, but tiny bit better. And then I'm gonna add these flowers that are just kind of like sticking from under here, and I'm gonna add a bit more of this running tape. If you are like me, you go through enormous amounts of, for me, it's both the correction tape and the adhesive roller, because my social media, I always add that custom-made page on the side. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add this big journaling box like so. I'm gonna have a sip of my coffee, which is delicious, and we'll continue. And yes, when I'm home, I still drink iced coffee. In winter, outside, no. At home, yes. So it's just one of those things. I am going to be adding this beautiful arrangement right on top, like so. Oh, I love how that looks. Okay, so I'll keep going. Yeah, I am truly loving these florals. Let me know what you guys think, because I know it's a little bit different and unique, but I really like it, so I will keep going. I'm gonna cut this in more of a circle shape. Well, failed, but that's okay. I'm gonna make it work, because then I can kind of place it like on the edge a little bit. There. I think that works pretty well, and that bigger circle actually lets me fill in the larger one, which is fantastic. And I'm gonna add a couple more boxes to add in the feeling of that spread. I really love how this is looking. Let's see. I'm gonna add maybe on the top. I'll add like another arrangement on the top, so not all of them are coming from this side. It'll be a little bit more of an interesting angle. Let's add that green circle right there. That might be okay. Let's see. Okay, let's add a couple like leaves or branches or whatever. Yeah, I think that works. I'm gonna add a couple more smaller elements. Maybe I can add it right there. Yeah, I think that works as well. I know that it's a different and weird combo a little bit, but bear with me. I think it's gonna work out. So I'm gonna sit and layer this one flower with all of these different leaves and little sprigs. So let's see how that turns out. Hopefully it looks pretty, but who knows, right? So let's keep going. Okay, I'm gonna remove those lines and then place this blue arrangement down. Perfect. I actually think this works. Let me know what you guys think, because these were individual pieces that I just bunched up. I think I do like it. I think I want to add a couple more Christmassy items into here, but let me pop it back into the planner and see how it looks, and see if I can add a couple more smaller detail items. Let's see. So I'm gonna add another little boxes to Monday and Friday. Ooh, that's crooked. That's not good at all. Okay, that works. Now let's keep going. Next up is this lovely ornament that I'm going to add to a few more items on this page. So I'm going to add one to this box. And then one, I'm going to add like this envelope on the side. I think these little elements make a big difference in the spread, and they're kind of fun, and they bring more of the traditional Christmas in, because I used a lot of these blue florals, so I want to make sure that that's still throughout the spread. So I'm just playing around with placing like little gifts with that red in them and ornaments and so on. But this is pretty much it. I am all done. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!